Want to travel from Singapore to Batam in less than 1 hour? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to take a ferry to Batam, step by step, including price, process, and tips. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning a quick getaway from Singapore, Batam is one of the easiest and cheapest options. But if it's your first time, you might be confused. Which ferry terminal? How to book tickets? What is the process? Don't worry, I'll guide you through everything. In Singapore, there are two main ferry terminals to go to Batam: Harbourfront Centre and Tanah Merah Ferry Terminal. Most people prefer Harbourfront because it's more central and easier to reach by MRT. I'm starting my journey from Harbourfront today. You can book your ferry tickets online or directly at the counter. Popular ferry operators include Batam Fast, Sindo Ferry, and Majestic Fast Ferry. A round-trip ticket usually costs between SGD $40 to $70, depending on timing and day. My tip: book early, especially on weekends. After booking your ticket, you need to check in at the ferry terminal. Make sure you arrive at least 60 to 90 minutes early. You'll need heavy check mark your passport, heavy check mark your ferry ticket. After check-in, you'll go through immigration, similar to airport departure. Once immigration is done, you'll wait at the boarding gate. Boarding usually starts about 30 minutes before departure. The ferry ride takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on weather and road. Here are some quick tips before you go. Heavy check mark: bring cash in Indonesian rupiah. Heavy check mark: check your passport validity, at least 6 months. Heavy check mark: weekends can be crowded, plan early. Heavy check mark: keep some extra time for immigration queues. And that's it, super. After arriving in Batam, you'll go through Indonesian immigration. You may need to fill out arrival forms, and sometimes pay a visa fee depending on your nationality. Once you're done, welcome to Batam. Here are some quick tips before you go. Bring cash in Indonesian rupiah. Check your passport validity, at least 6 months. Weekends can be crowded, plan early. Keep some extra time for immigration queues. And that's it, super. Now that we've reached Batam, let's explore what we can do in just one day: food, massage, and shopping. Look!
Batam?